Having a dedicated low-cut and high-cut filter section on Console 1 saves me a lot of time when mixing and producing. Since I use low-cut on all of my vocal and acoustic guitar tracks for sure, and of course on many other sources as well, depending on the situation, being able to just grab them instantly is a convenience that I don't know I'd ever want to live without again at this point. We have the option to change between 6, 12, 18, 24, and 48 decibels per octave for both filters by pressing and holding the shift button while adjusting either one. Depending on your recordings and the source material, I definitely recommend experimenting with these, as the sweet spot for your production may very well live somewhere in between a gentle 6 dB and something more steep. The Filters To button takes the filters out of the main audio path and moves them to the sidechain path in one of the dynamic sections, either the shape section or the compressor section. A typical use for sending the filter to the shape could be to filter out low or high frequencies from, say, a noise gate. To route the filter this way, press and hold the Filters To button and select either of the shape sections using one of the on buttons at the bottom of the shape section. Much like the external sidechain function, this will be shown in the on-screen display next to the gate and shape text as a low-cut icon, and it will remain active until pressing the Filters To button again. While active, the Filters To button LED will remain lit, and of course, once the filters are put back into their original place in the main audio path, the LED will turn off.
In the next video, we'll take a look at the shape and panner sections of Console 1 MK3, so we'll see you there.